Joining us to discuss first on CNBC interview is Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev. Vlad, welcome back to CNBC.
Good to be here.
Walk us through this acquisition of WonderFi and why an expansion into Canada makes sense right now.
Yeah, first off, we love the Canadian people and the Canadian market. We've had an office in Toronto for quite some time, and now is our opportunity to finally serve the market with great financial products, which we think have been lacking for quite some time. I mean, whenever you see another product release in the U.S., we have the Canadian contingent saying, you know, when's Robinhood coming here? And we're happy to announce that the time is now. So we've closed our acquisition of WonderFi, which is one of the largest and most established cryptocurrency platforms in Canada. They operate two services, BitBuy and CoinSquare, and they'll be joining the Robinhood team. And yeah, we're excited. This also This also gets us to over 1 million customers outside the U.S. It's another step in our global expansion strategy to make Robinhood the leading global financial platform, and not just in the U.S.
Yeah, you're clearly expanding. You have this $100 million investment in the Trump accounts, which go live on July 4th. Walk us through the revenue implications for Robinhood.
Yeah, first off, the Trump accounts, if you really think about what Robinhood is trying to do and our mission, we want to make everyone owners of this great American economy. And we think that by doing that, it's not just good for the individuals, but it'll also create a stronger economy and a healthier, more stable, more prosperous society. And Trump accounts allows us to do that from birth. So it actually gives the power of equity ownership to newborns with a $1,000 kickstart from the Department of Treasury. So Robinhood serves as the sole initial trustee and broker of the Trump accounts. That app that you've been showing on the screen, our engineers and design team have been working on that in close collaboration with BNY, along with the National Design Studio from the administration and the Department of Treasury. So the goal really is to build the best product that the government has ever been associated with. And you know, you can tell by the reception that I think we're on the right track so far. So on launch day, the app hit #1 in finance and #4 overall, climbing to #3 overall. So it was the fastest growing app outside of AI, which is really cool. So off to a good start. Plenty more to do as we get ready for July 4th. But yeah, I think it's quite amazing.
Yeah, that doesn't seem to be reflected in your stock, down about 22% this year. Why do you think that is? Is that related to crypto and the volatility we've seen there?
Well, I think if it depends on the time horizon. So if you look over the past week, it's been quite strong. If you look in the past couple of years and you take a longer term view, the company's done tremendously well. You know, we've been growing market share, expanding our lines of business, our revenue streams. I think markets tend to have sometimes a short-term outlook on things. A lot of people are talking about what's going on today or tomorrow. We're building this business to be a long-term compounding business, and we want Robinhood to be around for generations and growing market share and serving our customers. So it's not always about, you know, what's happening to the ticker on any particular day for us.